Hello Quora users, today I guide you through the process of permanently deleting your account on Quora should you decide to leave the platform permanently. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Quora account, then navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy, and here you'll find various options to manage your account settings and privacy preferences. Find the option related to deleting your account. This may be located under Privacy or Account Settings. Click on the option to delete your account. Quora will likely ask you to confirm your decision and may provide additional information about what deleting your account entails. Follow the prompts provided by Quora to complete the account deletion process. This may include confirming your decision, providing feedback, or specifying the reason for deleting your account. After you've completed the deletion process, confirm that your account has been deleted permanently. Your profile content and the account information will be permanently removed from the platform. Keep in mind that some platforms have a cancellation period, during which you can still recover your account. Make sure to review the terms and conditions for any such period on Quora. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your account on Quora. Your profile and all associated data will be permanently removed from the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.